Data doesn't have to be hard or dull. In fact, when it's done well, it becomes your most powerful storytelling tool, helping you uncover insights, share compelling narratives, and drive impactful decisions at work. Whether you're reporting on sales figures, tracking projects, or sharing key insights with your team, well-designed visuals can make complex information clear and engaging. In this lesson, you'll learn how to design with numbers using Canva's data visualization and spreadsheet tools. We'll explore Canva Sheets for structuring data, tools to bring your insights to life, and Brand Kit for creating consistent charts. Plus, we'll show you how to automate your data with data connectors, transform numbers into compelling visuals, and keep everything on brand. Let's get started. Working with data or traditional spreadsheets can feel pretty intimidating for most people. Whether you need to calculate profit margins, track performance and cash flow, or identify trends, Canva Sheets is designed to provide a more visual and user-friendly spreadsheet experience without requiring advanced formulas or manual formatting. Today, we're helping Realty Commercial organize some of their data. Keeping track of property listings, client interactions, and market trends is key for making quick and accurate decisions. But organizing and updating all that data can be time-consuming. With features like Magic Formulas, Magic Insights, and Magic Write, Canva Sheets leverages AI to simplify these tasks. Let's take a look. To get started, open Canva and navigate to the Canva Sheets section, integrated right within your Canva work suite. To create a new sheet, select this option here. You can start from scratch or choose from ready-made templates, giving you a visually stunning spreadsheet right away. To enter new data, select any cell to enter your information. Canva Sheets supports text, numbers, and dates, making it easy to log everything from property prices to sales metrics. Now, let's set up some formulas. Type equals into a cell, or use the formula bar to activate the formula helper. You can also type backslash to access features like Magic Formulas, which generates a formula syntax based on your input. For example, type average property price, and Canva Sheets will suggest the correct formula instantly. Beyond Magic Formulas, you can also use Magic Insights to summarize data, customize prompts, and generate instant charts. Need feedback? Multiple users can work on the same sheet at once. Just share with your team, set permissions, and watch as changes happen in real time. Here's how you share sheets with your team. You can change access permissions and edit settings here. Canva's commenting and mention features make it easy to collaborate without endless emails. To add a comment, choose any cell or element, then select Comment from the toolbar. Type your message and use the @ symbol to mention a team member and notify them instantly. You can also set up your Brand Kit's chart styles to ensure your data visualization is always on brand. Check your brand colors are saved under the Charts section of your Brand Kit, so they appear in the Color Selector panel. Then, set up brand fonts so they are available in the Text Style panel. We can see Realty Commercial's Brand Kit is ready to go. If your Brand Kit is set up, Canva will apply the correct fonts, colors, and formatting, keeping your data visualizations polished, professional, and always on brand. While sheets are great for organizing data, charts help bring trends and comparisons to life. Canva Sheets integrates seamlessly with other Canva tools, making it much easier to build dashboards and add charts to any doc type. That includes trend reports, an internal performance deck, or setting up a dashboard in a sheet. With Canva's data visualization features, you can build charts directly in Sheets or add charts directly to other doc types like websites or presentations. Start by selecting data in your Canva sheet and hit Visualize. The best chart styles automatically generate depending on what best suits your data set. In Realty Commercial's case, You might highlight property price data in Sheets, hit Visualize, and instantly see suggested charts to compare different neighborhoods. These interactive charts can even filter data, or you can hover for more details, making it easy for your team to explore. To customize your chart, select it, then use the toolbar to adjust labels and to modify data sets. You can also switch between chart types to find the best visualization for the insights you want to present. There are over 25 chart types, all with interactive and animated options, without the steep learning curve of professional tools. You can even make your charts more engaging with interactive filters, allowing your team to drill down on the data presented in a fun, dynamic way. Now that we've created a chart, let's look at how to embed it into different Canva doc types, like presentations and docs. Once you've made your chart, it's easy to add it to another Canva doc type, like a report or presentation. Just simply copy and paste it to a new design. When a chart bound to a sheet is copy-pasted to another design, it retains that link to the data in the original sheet, so it automatically reflects the data as the sheet updates. Pretty useful, right? If you want your live dashboards or monthly reporting decks to update to the latest data automatically, just connect your data sources to Canva. By linking CSVs, Excel, Google Analytics, Google Sheets, Salesforce, or any available data app, you can refresh your charts with the latest data in one click. Perfect for updating monthly reports or marketing dashboards. Select Charts, then start with Data to see all the available apps you can link to. Realty Commercial already has Google Sheets set up, so we can jump straight in. Their marketing team want to report on the monthly performance of their website, checking things like page views and what devices their audiences are using to view properties. First, select the sheet and enter the cell range you want to visualize. I'll pull data from the last 30 days, then select Done. Canva automatically suggests great ways to visualize it. I think a line chart works best for page views. Now, we'll make another chart for the most common device category. First, I'll adjust the cell range for that. Now, I'll choose a tree map. This one looks good. You can see that's all connected and looking great. The best part? Next month, the marketing team can simply hit Update and Canva will pull the latest data from Google Sheets. No need to recreate the report or take screenshots, a huge time saver. That's how easy it is to handle data in Canva Sheets and Charts. If you're juggling anything data-related from client records, marketing analytics, or monthly financial reports, these features save you time and make sure your insights pack a punch. Ready to give it a try? Jump into Canva, open a sheet, and see how visual and interactive your data can be. Happy designing!